Hi, so today what I have here is actually a roadkill I found next to the road. It is a so-called Cantor's Kukri snake. So also a Kukri snake, same I showed you last time, but this one is far bigger than the other one. I could not find any injury on her. She was just laying upside down, and you see the book says that this kind of snake can be up to 1.15 meters long, and so this one is 60 centimeters in this case, so just half of the length it can actually grow up. So the meter is the full length she would actually become. Yeah, so Cantor's Kukri snake, she can be 2 finger thick, so this one is kind of youth. Yeah, also would be also a beautiful snake. You can see here the painting on her. Have spots, brown snake. So this sort of snakes, they are feeding on small lizards and stuff like that. So if she is moving through the leaves and grass, you will probably never see her also. Unfortunately, only that. So maybe one day we have the chance to meet a live one. So this is the view from the down. White, some brown spots. Yeah. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. So let's hope next time we meet alive. Thank you for watching today's video with this Cantor Kukri snake, and please subscribe, like and comment, and we see you next time with another find.